Hi everyone! Exciting news! Applying for campus residency is now easier and faster with our new AUPShine web app. In this video, we will show you the process and we will guide you through it step by step. Let's begin!
First, log into your AUPShine account. If your account is not yet activated, please refer to our previous video on how to activate your AUPShine account. Once you're on the login page, enter your student account details, then click the login button. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. This is where you can find the available school services. To apply for residency, look for the Campus Residence Application submenu and click it. Choose Campus Residence Application, then select what applies for your residency. First, select the term for your residency. Next, choose where you will be residing. Now carefully fill in the required information that follows. Great, you're almost done. Once you're finished filling up, please check everything one more time. This helps avoid mistakes and delays. Good job. You may now click Submit. When you see the confirmation message, that means your application has been successfully sent.
And that's it! You have now applied to campus residency online. Simple, right? Don't forget to check your account for updates and view your progress at Application Status Table. Thank you and enjoy our AUPShine web app.